you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm super excited when this box comes around. Today I received Smartass Sass for November. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So my November Smartass Sass box just arrived. They do send me this for review. So thank you so much, Smartass Sass, for sending me your amazing, smartassy, sassy, snarky box. I love this box, you guys. And I do want a disclaimer, this is my Smartass and Sass box. So in this video, I will probably be showing more cuss words are going to be coming out of this video than normal videos. So if you're not into that kind of thing, then go ahead and stop now. You can watch others. That is perfectly fine. But in this video, it is a Smartass Sass. So no hold back. That's the shit right there. So let's go ahead and get in here. You guys know I love the box. Not only is it my favorite color, but you have classy, sassy, and a bit smartassy. My favorite, drop it like it's hot, but no, not really. It's fragile. And well-behaved women seldom make history. So let's go ahead and see what is in here. This seems kind of like a hefty box. It feels like it's a little heavy duty. So let's take a look, shall we? So that is what it looks like when you first open it up. You do have your card, and that's what it looks like. So with Smartass Sass, if you do not know, there's 3 different subscription levels. There is the shirt only, there's the goods only, and then there's the whole shebang. You get the goods and you get the shirt as well. But this is new. This is something that I've never seen before. You guys, I've been getting this for like 2 years, and they always have just that one little page that opens up, but this is actually a booklet. This is different. This is the first time you actually have a full page book. So I see that's different. So let's go ahead and see what the theme is for this month. Now it says, this month's theme is hibernation mode. This month's subscription will celebrate getting cozy in the comfort of your own home. Fall and winter highlight the homebody side in us, and we've got some fun items to help you settle in. How cute. November is all about chillaxing in your own personal space. Now they do give you a sneak peek at next month's theme. So December's theme is You Got This. This month's subscription will honor the kick-ass lady that you are and say bye Felicia to 2020. This is the time to start planning how you'll slay next year. December is all about supporting you with sassy motivation. I really hope next year is better. Holy fucking moly. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what's in here. So I'm going to go and show you the shirt first. So if you get the shirt only or the big box, you will get this shirt. Their shirts are soft blended unisex, and they are sizes extra small to 3XL. So this month, it looks like it is like a black color. And it says, I got so much procrastinating done today. Oh my God, that's so fucking cute. I got so much procrastinating done today. That's normally not me though. Like I literally, if I have something that I have to do, which is always, I'm always doing it. I tend not to procrastinate, but that shirt is hilarious. And I think that is super, super cute. And I like the font. So this is the shirt for this month. It is super cute. I love that. And the shirts are valued at $15.95. So let's keep on going. So now the next thing I'm seeing in here, it says hibernation mode, women's woven crew socks. And this is by Smartass Sass. So now I don't have one sheet. Now I have to like find it in a book. So exciting. Something new. Where's my socks at? The last page, nonetheless. Hibernation mode socks from Smartass Sass. These rockin' socks will make you feel cozy in any weather. Women's cotton crew socks, one size fits most. Hibernation mode design featuring constellations and bears. Valued for $12. Now this month, if you go to their shop, because they sell individual items on their shop, they have so many neat items that you can purchase one time. You do not need to subscribe to purchase in their shop. And this month, they're having use code SLEEP20, so SLEEP20 for 20% off the shop. So if you guys are looking for some really neat stocking stuffers or gift ideas, definitely check out the shop and use that code to save the 20% off to save you some money and get some amazing gifts. So let's go ahead and see what they look like. So it says hibernation mode on both sides. So then there's these little bears, and then it has the moons, and it has constellations, stars. So that's super cute that we got a pair of socks, and they're in my favorite color. So I'm totally loving those. And again, that is for $12. So the next thing I'm pulling out, it says Wizard at Work Spiced Apple Cider Soap. Contains soap base, fragrance oil, and soap tint. And they look like little pills. It says chill pill. Take a chill pill, and it's a soap. Let me open it so you can see it. It says chill pill soaps by Wizard at Work. Anyone you ever wanted to say, take a chill pill to? Ooh. They said of 3 chill pills, moisturizing novelty soaps. Each one is about 1 ounce. We chose spiced apple cider because, well, 'tis the season. $7. But you see it says chill pill. It looks like a pill, and it does smell like apple cider. And it's cool, you get 3 different colors and you get 3 little chill pill soaps. So there's all 3 of the colors. That is very good for this month, especially being Thanksgiving. So then now we have, it says Smartass and Sass, place under your pillow for a relaxing night's sleep, or toss in a drawer to keep your clothes smelling heavenly. It says, I'm already tired tomorrow pillows. It's a sachet. Is that how you say it? I always want to think you gotta dance like a shimmy, sachet. I don't know, but I think it's a sachet. Catch some heavenly Z's with the aroma of the mini sachet. Satchel? Place under your pillow for a good night's sleep, or toss in a drawer to keep your clothes smelling divine. Contains organic osmanthus, valued at $7. So let's see what this looks like. That's what it looks like underneath. And it has an aroma. It has an aroma in there. I'm not quite sure what all is in there. It's like some type of essential oils. I'm sure there's a lavender, because lavender is for calming. So a lot of sleep things put lavender. So I'm just gonna stick this right back in the bag. But that is super cute that you can put it under your pillow if you like that scent and give you a good night's sleep and bask in the aromas, valued at $7. The next thing I have, it says, Let That Shiitake Go. Let That Shiitake Go. I think that's how you say that. Ooh, this side looks like somebody stepped on it. This side is like dirty, and this side is nice and clean. But it's just for the outside of your can. Plus, I think these are washable, so it doesn't really matter. But it says, Let That Shiitake Go Can Cooler by Moonlight Makers. Fit your average 12-ounce can, or a tall boy if you're about it, in this seafoam green premium foam cozy to let loose. Sip your stress away, valued at $7. Next we have is, it's a sticker. So I'm a champion of getting out of bed. Every morning I gotta get out of bed, like it or not. Gotta get the day going. Nothing gets done if you don't get up and get it done. Pat yourself on the back, champ. You got out of bed today, and that's definitely worth something. Durable and long-lasting, great for laptops, water bottles, and more, valued at $3. And this is by Primitives by Kathy. That's who makes that. Super cute. So yes, I got out of bed today. Woo me. I get a damn award for that shit. So then let's keep moving right along. This says that it's a Bookmarks. Shut up, I'm reading. Well, alrighty then. There's that right there. This must be back on the back side. Yes. So this says, don't you dare make me lose my place on the page. Letterpress bookmarks printed on black and metallic ink, a set of 3, valued at $4. So let me open it because there's 2 other ones in here that we cannot see currently. So it's just like on like a thicker cardstock. And it says, shut up, I'm reading. Because people who fold page corners go to hell. And this one says books, people. So 2 of them are more of like the gold bronze type color. One of them has a silver. So you have 3 different bookmarks. That's neat to keep your pages marked. And again, that's valued at $4. Next thing in here is go away, I'm introverting. I have one of these currently in my freezer as we speak. So I have a blue one. So I love using these whenever I have a migraine. I'll grab it, plop that bad boy on my head, and it helps me out quite a bit. But this is go away, I'm introverting, and it has like the little, let me show ya. There we go. So it has all those little balls in there. So if you put it in the refrigerator or in the freezer, then it definitely gets nice and cold. And it has an elastic strap on the back, so it's adjustable for any head. And then you stick it on like this. It covers a big variety or a vast, you know, it covers a big area on my face. You know what I'm trying to say. So there's that. That's really cool, especially like I said, if you're like me and you get migraines or even headaches, that'll help. So I like that. That's valued at $12. It says go away hot/cold. Oh, I never knew you can get a hot. I always thought they were just for cold. So you can get a hot too. And it says it's from Smartass Sass. This is a lime green ultra soft eye mask. It has an easy elastic strap with a hook and loop closure for maximum security on your noggin. Microwave for warm therapy or freeze for cold therapy. P.S. It's great for hangover headaches. Valued at $12. Wow, we have a lot of stuff in this box. Okay, now we have a really cool purple pin and it says multi-slacking. Instead of multitasking, you're straight multi-slacking. Oh, fucking slacker. This says keep an eye open because pin thieves will be on the prowl. This purple Bic click pin has a nickel-plated clip and trim. This multi-slacking pin is perfect for your daily shit to-do list and it's valued for $3. That is super cute. I love their pins, you guys, especially with the little snarky sayings on them. Plus, I love a good Bic clicky pin, so I love their pins. Now, we have, holy moly, we still have 2 items in here, you guys. We have 4 faux leather coasters. It says alcohol, a great alternative to hating everybody. Oh my gosh. Ain't that the damn truth? That is the truth. So, there's the packaging right there. Let me take them out. Let me find, okay, here we go. It says alcohol is a great alternative. A coaster by Fun Club. When you're dealing with too many people in one day, kick up your feet and put your beverage on this kick-ass faux leather coaster. 4x4, 4-pack, valued at $20. And they all say the same thing. Yes, they all say the same exact thing. And that has the faux leather on the front and the back. So even if you didn't like this saying and you got this box, you guys, it looks exactly the same on the other side. Turn it over and you just have an all black coaster, which will go with anything. So that's cool that it's like double-sided. Well, because you know, like some that like the sand coasters, like for example, you have the bottom, you can't flip that bad boy over. But this one you can flip over to the other side. Flip on over to the other side if you don't like the shit that it says on this side. That's what I have to say. But that's really cute and I like this saying, you guys. That's really cool. So we got a set of 4 coasters, again valued at $20. And then the last thing says, don't you forget about me, concrete planter. Oh, okay. When I saw this, I thought we were gonna get another mug because they have amazing mugs and we get quite a lot of them in this box, but that's not what this guy is. This says, since plants can't talk, this planter will scream for them. Smartass Sass designed this custom cement planter just for subscribers. It's packaged in a box to ensure no breakage or shakeage. Breakage or shakeage. Shimmy, shimmy, shake it, shake it, shake it. And it's valued at $10. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Don't you forget about me. So don't be forgetting to water your plants, you guys. And again, same thing. If you don't really care for that saying, you can flip this bad boy around and you have that on the whole thing, which is super cute, which I love that saying. So I'm definitely going to get a plant. Next time I can go to Home Depot or Lowe's, I'm gonna grab a plant and put in here. And yeah, probably like a cactus type style or like a succulent is what I'll probably put in here. Hey you guys, I just wanted to show you, I actually put in these artificial plants that I already had here, and then I just put in some little rock down on the bottom. I thought it would be a little ironic to put in artificial when it says don't forget about me, because really now you can forget about them because you don't have to water them, but that's what I did. But that is super, super cute. Don't you forget about me, bitches. That would have been perfect. Bitches. Bitches, bitches. And that's what it looks like on the inside. And there's the bottom. So you have this ceramic. It's gray and white. That is so freaking cute. And again, that's valued at $10. So that is everything that came in the November box, you guys. We have this really cute planter, which you can put anything, even if you want to put in fake flowers or use it as a pin or a marker holder. Whichever you prefer, you can use it for anything, you guys. So we have that. You have a 4 set of a coaster. You have a 3-piece bookmarker set. You have a good job you got out of bed today award sticker. You have a hot or cold press eye mask. You have a cup koozie, a can koozie, I guess. Can, cooler, whatever. You have this to go in your pillow or in one of your drawers to make it smell good. You have a Take a Chill Pill, 3 different bars of soap. You have a pair of socks, which is super cute. You have a pin, and then in the big box, you have the shirt. So that is everything that came in this box, you guys. What did you think? Comment down below. Let me know. What did you think of the items that came in this box? What do you think of the theme? I always love this box, let me tell you. I think there's only like one box ever that I was like, what happened? But of course, it's during this pandemic, so it could have just been a lack of product, which a lot of people are dealing with. But every other box that I've received, it's just been freaking hilarious. I love the products inside. I just love everything about this box, you guys. So if you want a little bit more information about Smartass and Sass, again, they have those 3 different tiers for their subscription. So if you want the shirt only subscription, it's $15.95. If you want all of the goods but the shirt, so you get everything that's in here, you just won't get the shirt. That one is $34.95. And if you want the big box like they send me, where you get everything in here, it's $49.95. Shipping is in addition. And again, on the shirt, it's a unisex soft blend size extra small to 3XL. And they love funny shit, cuss words, and treating themselves. It's 2 best friends that have been best friends for many, many years. And I love the fact that they curate this together. And I love that they're doing their own things now, where the Smartass and Sass is coming out with more and more of their own products. And that's really, really neat, because then you can purchase them directly from their website, because again, they have that store. And this month, use Sleep 20 for 20% off anything in their store, you guys. You can also find curated boxes on their site. They have different themed boxes from time to time. They have one-time boxes, gift subscription boxes. If you want to send somebody a gift and send them one of these boxes, you can definitely do that as well. Again, everything will be linked down below, so you can follow that link and it'll take you directly to their site, and you can check out everything that they have to offer. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. I love this box always. You guys know that this is like one of my favorite boxes to receive, and that hasn't changed. So comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew, out.